What's going on, guys? Welcome to Robot Rescue. Today we have a Shark Ion series. This is a a 754, my bad. So this is one of the newer style Ions. Ions are dummy style robots. That means they bounce from wall to wall. IQ are smart mapping technology. And AI are the more smart ones that have AI built into them. But a lot of those are also multifunction. So that means that there'll be a mop and a Swiffer, or a mop and a vacuum. But today we're focusing on the dummies and the IQs, and this will work for the AIs and the... There's another model, I can't think of it right now. But regardless, we're working on the side brushes. They're all about the same. Some are a little bit harder to get off than others. The only thing you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. These screws do not come off. The little springs underneath, the little metal tabs, they do not come off. If you lost those, you will have to buy a whole new motor from a reseller on eBay. The tabs are patented. I cannot get them reproduced. I've tried and tried. It's irritating. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and work on this. So, for Ion, you can literally just pop them right off and pop the new one on. Just like that. But on some of them, you will need a flathead and work it off. Just like that. We'll take right here, wiggle it back and forth, and it pops right out. Clean underneath, pop them back on, turn your robot back on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.